Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about ownership and affiliation in hotel industry. Independent hotel. These are family owned and operated hotels that is not required to conform to any policy and procedures. They also do not need to adhere to a particular image and can offer a level of service graded towards attracting a specific target market and can quickly adapt to the changing market condition. However, these hotels do not enjoy the advantage of volume purchase, advertising exposure, or management insight and consultancy power of hotel chain. Chain hotel. Chain hotel ownership can take a number of forms depending on the association that the chain organization has with each property. These hotels usually impose certain minimum standards, rules, policies, and procedures which is to be followed by other properties of the same chain. The hotels are usually classified as operating a management contract or as a franchisee or referral group. Management control, management contract hotel. These hotels are properties owned by other entities. Under this type of contract, the owner or developer usually retains the financial and legal responsibilities for the property. The management company pays its expense and in turn receives an agreed upon fee from the owner or developer, and the remaining cash goes to the owner and also pays for debts, insurance, taxes. Franchisee group. Franchisee is simply method of distribution whereby one entity that has developed a particular pattern or format for doing business. The franchisor usually provides a strong brand name, national and international central reservation system, management training programs, advanced technology, and central purchasing services. Referral group. Referral groups consist of independent hotels which have joined together for some common purpose. While each property in the referral system is the same, but there is no similarity in the quality of service and guest expectations. Hotels within this group refers their guests to other affiliation hotels. With this kind of an approach, a hotel may gain a much greater level of exposure. Privately owned and operated hotel. This type of hotel ownership gives an owner the most freedom but also the biggest risk. The hotel owner is free to make all decisions on staff, operational structure, and growth, but does not have the benefit of a brand behind him. All marketing research and efforts must be built from the ground up. Leased hotels. Leased hotels are also privately owned by the physical hotel building belongs to someone else. These type of arrangements are generally on long-term leases. The leaser will stipulate a minimum rent for the premises and may also include a sliding scale based on total revenue for outgoing rent. Managed hotels. While the trend for new hotels in an open franchises, existing hotels quite frequently go the managed route. This is where an existing privately owned hotel partners with a recognized brand name or similar more experienced hotel. The hotel continues to be privately owned, but the managing hotel takes over the day to day operations of the business and quite frequently leads its brand name as well. The managing hotel charges royalties based on total revenues. Thank you.